Hello guys and welcome to another of my predictions. This time I will be doing the Microsoft stocks. Just before I begin, I made a video about Nvidia, my predictions on Nvidia like a couple days ago. And it's panning out right, exactly as expected. My predictions remain extremely accurate. And before I begin, none of this is financial advice or should be taken as such. I'm literally just drawing circles on a chart. That's all I do. I'm pretty good at it. I'm extremely good at it. Because if I weren't, I would have already stopped with my predictions. But they just keep coming because I'm hitting the spot. Most of them, all of them are right. The only difference is that some days could be a little off, but the general prediction is like above 70-80% accurate. So that's all I'm doing, and let's begin with this. So again, I was talking about the Nvidia stocks. You should be watching that video too. I'm going to link it so you can watch it and see for yourself that I am not making any of this up. That my predictions are extremely organic. They are not fake. I don't make these days in advance and claim I did it before. None of that stuff. They are juicy, natural, and of course always right. So okay, let's begin now finally with Microsoft. Okay, so I'm seeing by April 5 that the price will either stay in range or will behave very volatile, leading to a dip by April 8. April 8 is the day of the eclipse. I also will link that video to you so you can watch it. I made a video about the eclipse and what it represents, what the implications are for the economy, for finance, because the eclipse is always a sign, an astrological sign of change. It's an herald of transformation. So this era, the current economic system will be replaced by something new, which will be digitalized, like fully digitalized. So expect that to happen. Anyways, the big dip, a dip will come by April 8. I don't think it will be that big because there will be more dips coming. Now, by April 9th, I will see a recovery, a small recovery, leading up to volatility or range by April 10 or 11. And this overlaps with also this green circle that I'm expecting to see an uptrend by April 12 or April. I'm expecting to see a recovery, an uptrend by April 11 or 12, one of these 2 days. And then finally, I'm seeing the big dip that I'm talking about that will begin in April 13 and could extend to April 14 and 15. So we're talking 2 or more days straight, which will be all in a downtrend. All of these days will be red, basically. But worry not, because we're finally seeing another recovery by April 16 or 17, followed by another recovery by April 18 or 19. So these couple days will essentially repair the damage these dips will cause. But by April 19 and 20, April 19 is overlapping with these 2 circles, the green and the red one. This is because I'm expecting to see volatility or the price stays in range on April 19. And it could also it will lead to a downtrend, which will begin in April 21 and probably extending on April 22 or 23. So this week will open probably either very volatile or will be in a general downtrend, which will finally stabilize by April 24, which I'm expecting to lead to a recovery by April 25 or 26. Now, April 26 will also be a day with volatility and will finally lead to the end of the month, near the end of the month, in an uptrend by April 29 or April 30. So that's basically what I have for Microsoft, my predictions for Microsoft. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm expecting it to happen. My predictions are like I say, I'm always kind of repeating this, but it's because it's a fact. I mean, it's a true right here. My predictions are very accurate. I'm not making any of this up. I've been doing predictions about cryptocurrencies, about traditional stocks, about nearly everything, and they are always right, with extreme percentage of accuracy. So again, none of this is made up or a joke or any of this. Okay guys, so I guess I'll end it here. I have a lot of work to do, and I will be updating these charts the next week. Do the usual, guys. Like and subscribe, comment, all of that stuff. And I'm seeing you next week. Take care.